Hey guys, it's Charlieberry2012 and today I'm going to be making a video of my top 5 favorite things about Animal Jam. My first favorite thing about Animal Jam is decorating my den. My second favorite thing about Animal Jam is talking to my friends on Animal Jam. My third favorite thing about Animal Jam is going to parties. My fourth favorite thing about Animal Jam is probably has to be making YouTube videos of Animal Jam, like my favorite den and my den tour and all that, and a little bit about me and all that. So my fifth favorite thing has to probably be trading items and getting better and rare items. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you were just curious of why I play Animal Jam and why I like it. So, yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed and please subscribe. So, yeah, thanks for watching.